Get ready to be inspired. It's an absolute privilege to introduce you to the wonders of Istanbul, a city at the heart of jewelry design, innovation for over 3,000 years, the ultimate destination for the jewelry enthusiast. Step into the soul of Istanbul, where the magic of East and West fuses together. Experience Turkey's rich jewelry heritage, timeless techniques, meaningful motifs, and a vibrant scene where tradition sparks bold, new designs. Explore dazzling jewelry and bead shops in the Grand Bazaar, visit cutting-edge artisan studios and stylish tezvikiye, tour inspiring museums, and try your hand at metalsmithing, and enjoy every flavor of Turkish culture along the way. Discover how today's trend-setting designers breathe new life into tradition. Marvel at signature Turkish motifs and unlock their deeper stories and cultural meanings. In Tezvikiye, meet the city's leading jewelry innovators, examine their masterworks up close, and discover what sets contemporary pieces apart from tradition. Step back in time to explore magnificent Turkish creations, from timeless traditional jewelry to the breathtaking treasures of the ancient Urarians. On our immersive walking tours, you'll go behind the scenes to watch creativity in action. Each studio and artisan has been hand-selected for their vision, heritage, and ingenuity. Become a jewelry artisan yourself. Enjoy a full-day hands-on master workshop in metalsmithing in the Grand Bazaar. This is more than just a tour, it's an exclusive masterclass in beauty, culture, and tradition. Join me for a celebration of artistry and craftsmanship that will stay with you for a lifetime. I'm Warren Feld, your guide and jewelry expert. On this tour, I'll show how masters balance beauty, function, and success. Also, you gain the deepest appreciation for wearable art. Don't miss this extraordinary 6-day, 5-night adventure.